Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this stylish 208 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got half leather interior with the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 18,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.